Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Dragon Ball Sparking Zero Communication error. First thing you want to do is head over to Settings, go to Windows Update, and make sure that you are up to date. As you can see, I'm not up to date, so I'm going to click on Check for Updates. But if that doesn't show for you, click on Check for Updates and make sure you update it. Next thing, you want to search for CMD and click on Run as Administrator. Yes, so first thing you want to type in is ipconfig / flush DNS and then hit enter. As you can see this thing, and the next step you want to do net sh and then winsock reset and then hit enter. This one might take some time for some of you guys, but after it's done you want to restart your PC. Now another thing is sometimes the Dragon Ball server itself is down, so you want to check whether it's the server down or it's a problem with you. But if these fixes don't work, then you probably can try uninstalling and reinstalling and see if that fixes the issue. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.